Hi, my name is Nilay. I'm the founder and CEO of nGauge Solutions. Today I'm going to give you a quick demo of our exhibition management software. Over the years, we have used this technology to help many exhibition organizers to help with their booking, billing, allotment and sale of their ancillary services. This has delivered tremendous results in terms of saving cost, time and bringing efficiency to their entire process. Let's dive right into it and you will understand how nGauge helps your associations and your exhibitions to improve technology. So let's jump straight into the demo. For the purpose of this demo, we have considered an exhibition which is organized by an association. Association organized exhibition, you will see Indian exhibitors, international exhibitors. You'll also see some members who are part of the association or past exhibitors. And these members or the past exhibitors are given some preferential rates or different rates. Or you could have a fresh exhibitor who has never participated in the exhibition. You'll also have some international exhibitors, which could be past exhibitors or the new exhibitors. So the registration process is very simple. A pre-registered exhibitor, which is your member or a past exhibitor, can simply identify their company's day by typing the name of the company. The software will pull up all the companies matching. They will show the emails which are there in the database, and one can recover the password and start the registration process. This allows the exhibitor to proceed and start the booking process without going through the entire registration process again and again. This saves prestigious time and it also helps you to create and give a value addition to your existing exhibitors. Additionally, if an exhibitor is a new exhibitor, they enter the name of the company. So if, let's say, I was participating as Nilay Private Limited, I enter the email ID, I create my unique password. The software will register my company and I can log in. But as an additional feature, we also validate every single email ID which is entered in the system. This ensures that all the emails that you are sending go straight into the inbox and there is no loss of communication between you and the exhibitor. The email looks something like this. Dear exhibitor, we're glad that you are interested, your user ID or password, and click here to verify your account. The moment I confirm on the verification link, I can proceed to enter the name of the companies. I enter the details of the company. On the other details, we've given features which help people to fill the form quickly but accurately. Additionally, you can also collect the bank details if you need to issue any refund or if you need to issue any payment back to the exhibitor. You can collect the bank information, a GSTN number, declaration, PAN number if it is applicable. On the next page, you can collect all the information, the contact information. You can take the name of the management, which could be the owner, CEO or the MD of the organization. In many cases, they will remain the same, but in some large big corporations, you'll have a separate accounting team, the management and the point of contact. You take the name of the authorized person, the designation. Once this is done, the registration process is complete and the exhibitor is now ready to log into the dashboard. A typical dashboard for an exhibitor has few modules that they have access to. They can view the details of their company, they can change the password, they can change the billing details. The stall booking module where they can generate estimate, they can find quick stalls, there is a live layout. The payment where all the payments, all the invoices, all the receipts are shown to the exhibitor. B2B meetings, this is where your exhibitor can book your meetings slots with the buyers. You can invite buyer delegations and the exhibitors can book the meeting slots with them. You can sell your branding options and that can be sold directly from the dashboard itself. And the exhibitor manual. Exhibitor manual is where you can collect all the information which is related to your show. Alright, the exhibitor, when they want to book a stall, goes through exploratory phase where they need to understand what options are available as per their budget, the location, the amount, the pricing. For that, we help you to create tools which help the exhibitor to find the best option that suits your needs. Let me jump right into a couple of them. First is the estimator generate. This is a useful feature. An exhibitor can look at various options available, number of stalls which are currently available. They can also filter the areas of, for example, if they're interested in one side open, two side open, three side open, multiple options can be shown to them. They can also see the location of each stall. They can also see the availability of the stock. On the screen you see, for example, green is the available stocks, orange signifies provisionally allotted or provisionally blocked stalls, red means the stall has been allotted to someone, and grey are the stalls that are not yet released for sales. You may have certain stalls that are saved for specific country pavilions or theme pavilions and you don't want to sell them online. You have the option to do that. So an exhibitor can generate their estimate, an estimate for any configuration that they are interested in. Estimate can be generated in a PDF format. Additionally, a pro forma invoice can also be generated. Now, this is typically done for larger corporations where they want to download the pro forma invoice because the stall selection is done by the marketing team, but the payments are processed by the accounts team. So the marketing team can forward these pro forma invoices to the marketing team for the payment. Once the exhibitor has decided the stall that they're interested in, they can go ahead and block it. The system will show then the payment breakup, the GST details, the security details, the installments in which the payments need to be made. Once the confirmation is received from the exhibitor, the stall is provisionally allotted. From this point onwards, the exhibitor can proceed to make payment online or update the payment if they've done an NEFT or a bank transfer. Once the payment is done, they enter the details in the system and submit. The payment is captured. From the backend team, your accounts team or the operations team can process and accept the payment and generate the tax invoice and receipt for the potential exhibitor. The payments tab. The exhibitor would like to know all the payments in one single window. The payment tab is a great place where all the payments, TDS deductions, balance payments, pro forma invoices, and the payment updates can be shown in one single location. A dashboard also shows the payment that your exhibitors need to make for any additional services that they are availing during the exhibition, such as the power connection, the water connection, or any other services which are payable in nature. Another great module is the branding options. Typically, the branding options are sold very late and they are sold offline. But on nGauge, you can sell all the branding options online, giving you complete control over the sales of your branding opportunities. For example, on the screen you can see various branding options that one can book. If the branding option has been booked by someone else, the exhibitor can also add their name to the wish list, which allows them to avail the same branding option in case the current buyer backs off. These branding options can be paid and the amount are also shown on the payment dashboard. One of the most popular modules of nGauge is the exhibitor manual, or more commonly known as the online exhibitor manual. During the exhibition, an exhibition organizer compiles a lot of information from the exhibitor, which could be the name on the fascia, details for the directory listing, the power requirements, exhibitor badges. On nGauge, you can collect all this information on a single platform. You can also give access to your vendors as per the HOC. Here we have listed about 25 different types of information that you as an organizer will be collecting from your exhibitor. Let me show you a couple of them which are very useful and very interesting for most of the shows. First is the power requirement. During the show, especially for the machinery shows, you will be collecting electricity charges as an add-on collection. You can take the details of the extra power requirement that anybody has. The system will also give the charges that the exhibitor needs to pay for availing this extra service. Once again, as we've seen earlier, all these details and all these payments are shown directly in the payments portal, and the payment can be made online through NEFT and the approval can be given from the backend. Another very interesting and popular module is the directory listing module, where your exhibitor can list all the details that they need or they wish to publish in the exhibitor manual. If you are using the nGauge mobile app, the nGauge mobile app will collect all the data from the exhibitor directory listing and publish it in the directory listing page also. This allows a visitor or an exhibitor to search and filter with the most relevant exhibitors during the show. So as an exhibition organizer, you may be organizing buyer-seller meets. we've integrated the buyer seller meet module or the B2B meetings module right in the dashboard itself. The exhibitor, once they have been allotted a stall, can see all the buyers, the time that they are going to be sitting in the stall or the booth, and they can request for a meeting. For example, if you're looking at a buyer who's sitting in booth number 1, the timings at which they are available and the meetings can be requested with these buyers. The buyers will get a confirmation and they will have their separate dashboard where they will be able to see all the meetings which have been scheduled for them during the course of the exhibition. So what we've shown you is a quick demo of any typical implementation of an nGauge module. The system can be customized for your needs. We understand your needs and deploy the system in a very short span of time. We encourage you to visit our website to learn more from our case studies. Once you are ready, please engage with us. We'd love to hear more from you on how we can help your show become better and digitally organized. Looking forward to connect. Thank you.